Hi, welcome to the Student Success Center Leader Informational Session for students who are interested in becoming a peer leader within the SSC. Within the Student Success Center, we have 6 academic support programs: Academic Success Coaching, the Comm Lab, Peer Tutoring, Peer-Led Team Learning, commonly known as PLTL, Supplemental Instruction, commonly known as SI, and the Writing Center. We will be hiring for all 6 of these programs for the fall 2020 semester. If you have any additional questions or want information about each of the 6 programs, please see our website at utdallas.edu/student success. So you want to be a peer leader within the SSC, but you ask yourself, what are the eligibility requirements? Well, first, you must be an undergraduate student. You must have a cumulative GPA of a 3.0 or higher, and you must have an A- or better in a specific course. So you ask yourself, well, what does that specifically mean? For example, if you want to be one of our leaders who supports Chem 1311, you must have received an A- or better in Chem 1311 to work for us. So let's dive a little more into our programs. Academic Success Coaching, Comm Lab, PLTL, Peer Tutoring, SI, and the Writing Center. So when it comes to course support, Academic Success Coaching supports all of the courses at UTD. So what exactly does that mean? With Academic Success Coaching, you are a coach that helps students develop the soft skills needed to be successful as a student. So what exactly are those soft skills? Those are things like note-taking, study skills, time management, test anxiety. Those are the type of things that are soft skills. And our coaches help and work with students one-on-one or in groups or in classes to further develop those skills. The time commitment is 4 to 6 hours a week, and there's no class attendance. Comm Lab, you have to have taken the course at UTD, an A- or better, and are currently enrolled at UTD. The time commitment is 6 to 10 hours a week, and you do not have to attend class. PLTL is the exact same with course support, 6 hours per week, and you do not have to attend class. Peer tutoring differs a little bit in the sense that they prefer that you have taken the course at UTD, but it is not a mandatory. And then an A- or better and be currently enrolled. With the time commitment, there's a minimum of 6 hours and a maximum of 12 hours, and you do not have to attend class. SI, like PLTL and the Comm Lab, have the same course support requirements. The time commitment is 9 hours, and with SI, you have to sit in the course. Writing Center, you do not have to have taken the course at UTD, but like the rest of our programs, you must have an A- or better and are currently enrolled at UTD. The time commitment is 6 to 10 hours a week, and you do not have to attend class. So now, after learning about our programs and our program requirements, you find yourself thinking, yeah, I definitely want to apply to be a leader within the SSC. So now you ask, how do I apply? All of our program applications can be found on Handshake. The applications have opened up, and they opened up on February 14th, and candidates who apply before February 28th will be given first priority. The most important thing to know about our application is our application has 2 parts. First, you must fill out the Handshake form, and then once you complete the Handshake form, you will receive an email with a link to a Qualtrics form that you must also complete. If for some reason you do not get that email, the link can also be found on the Handshake profile. So a little bit of information about our interview process. All 6 of our programs require the 2-part Handshake and Qualtrics application, like previously mentioned. Now, some of our programs require content qualifications and some do not. Academic Success Coaching and the Comm Lab do not require content qualifications. PLTL requires a content check that is done during the first round of interviews. Peer tutoring requires content exams. SI does require content checks for general chemistry and organic chemistry, and the Writing Center requires a writing sample. And then all of our programs also do in-person interviews. Each of these interviews have similar components and have various variations depending on each program. And then each program does require some type of presentation or mock tutoring session. If you are selected for an in-person interview, you will receive the information regarding what the presentation entails or the mock session entails. So now you probably find yourself asking, what are the qualities that the program managers look for in a strong applicant? Well, first we look for coachability, adaptability. We want you to be charismatic, have strong content knowledge, a desire to help others, and have really strong communication skills. So, why work for the SSC? What are the benefits? Well, we provide extensive job training that translates to skills for any future career. Every single one of our programs does a pre-semester training and then does training weekly or bi-weekly throughout the entire semester. Then you will get the opportunity to obtain a CRLA certification to help build and develop soft skills that employers are seeking. These skills that you will learn are things like public speaking. You will learn about critical thinking, listening, and hearing. You get to learn how to develop an elevator speech. These are all things that you can put on your resume. And then finally, you get to gain leadership experience because as a peer leader, you get to lead your peers. Thank you for watching this video and your interest in becoming a peer leader within the SSC. If you have any questions, please contact us or feel free to stop by our office. Our email is sscrecruiting@utdallas.edu. Our phone number is 972-883-6707, or you can come stop by our office in MC 1.302. We're on the bottom floor of the McDermott Library.